Let's solve one more question related to GATE 2015 Set 2 operating system. So the question involves the concept of virtual address and translation look-aside buffer, that is TLB. So let's try to solve this question. Okay. So it says that it implements a 40-bit virtual address. So 40-bit of virtual address. Okay. And then it says it has a page size of 8 kilobytes. It's gonna be 2 to the power 13, and it means that we will require 13 bits for page offset. That is cool. Now let us try to find the total number of bits required for virtual page number. Okay, so total 40 bits are there, and we got 13 bits for page offset. So 40 minus 13 bits for page offset, that will be 27 bits. So this will be required for the virtual page number. Okay, so this number of bits will be required for virtual page number. We will have like this 27, 13 virtual page number, and then this is the offset. Okay, so let us see the next part. So it has a TLB of 128 entries, and it is organized into 32 sets, each having 4 ways. So 32 sets are there, and it says that TLB tag does not store any process ID, and then wants us to find the length of the TLB tag bits. Okay, fine. So before we move ahead, let's look at a simple TLB entry, how it looks like. So corresponding to the virtual page numbers, we will have an entry in the TLB that will contain the frame number. The frame number actually at the actual frame numbers which reside in the main memory. Okay, so okay, so this is it, and it does not contain any kind of offset because we cannot just offset into an address. Frame numbers are addresses to the frames present in the physical memory, so we cannot just offset into the middle of an address. So it's just complete one entry frame number. So let us see. It said 128 bit, 128 entries, TLB, 32 sets. It will be 2 to the power 5. It means 5 bits to represent each set. Okay, so these 5 bits, so this will be used to index this TLB. Okay, so now above we saw that corresponding to the virtual page number, we have frame number. So this can be thought as a tag here in this case, but here what we see is that as per the question, we have 32 sets and 5 bits are reserved for TLB indexing. So this is not going to be as easy as this case, so there will be some kind of modifications. So we saw that 27 bits are there for virtual page number. Okay, and then we got this 5 bits for this TLB indexing, that is the set. So we can get the tag. The tag will be the remaining number of bits remaining out of this 27 bits for page number. Okay, so we can just simply subtract this, and then we can have 22. So this 22 bits is the length of the tag which is required for the TLB. So this 22 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this question and the solution. Do let me know in the comments if any doubt or suggestions. Thanks for watching.